What happens to a foreign spouse's immigration after annulment? Imagine building a life together, only to find out that your marriage is considered as if it never existed. That's what an annulment does. It treats the marriage as if it never happened. This can really shake up a foreign spouse's immigration status, especially if their green card or visa was based on that marriage. If a foreign spouse has a conditional resident status, which is a temporary green card valid for 2 years after marrying a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, an annulment can cause serious problems. To become a permanent resident, they need to file a joint petition called Form I-751 before the 2-year green card expires. If the marriage is annulled before they file, they might lose the chance to adjust their status based on that marriage. This could lead to the green card being denied and even result in deportation. If the foreign spouse already has a permanent resident card, which is valid for 10 years, annulment usually doesn't automatically take away their status. But if they are applying for U.S. citizenship, the annulment might make immigration officials scrutinize their marriage more closely. They will need to prove the marriage was genuine and entered into in good faith, not just for immigration benefits. If they can't show this, their naturalization application could be denied, and they might face removal proceedings. Financially, the U.S. citizen or permanent resident who sponsored the foreign spouse must continue supporting them financially until they become a U.S. citizen or have worked for 10 years, which is about 40 quarters. If the marriage involved abuse, things get more complicated. Annulment can affect eligibility for immigration relief under the Violence Against Women Act. Since annulment treats the marriage as never having existed, the government might not recognize the foreign spouse as a spouse for VAWA purposes unless the marriage was valid at the time of the abuse, and the annulment was due to fraud or other valid reasons. In general, the impact of annulment on a foreign spouse's immigration depends on where they are in the process, whether the marriage was real, and when the annulment happened. If they are still in the process of adjusting status, annulment can be a big obstacle. If they already have permanent residency, it's less likely to be revoked unless the marriage was found to be fraudulent. But in all cases, it's wise to consult an immigration attorney to explore other options and gather evidence to prove the marriage was genuine if they want to pursue naturalization later. Understanding these rules can help foreign spouses navigate their options after an annulment and plan their next steps confidently.